What is up, everybody? It's your boy Brando here with Brando Reviews, and today we are checking out this Tonor TRL 12-inch ring light right here. So it's $50 on Amazon, and there is a 30% off coupon code available, so it's like pretty cheap right now. There will be a link down below if you want to purchase it. So it's a 12-inch selfie ring light. You can use this for TikToks, you can use it for whatever you want. It comes with a phone mount, but you can probably use this with a DSLR or other camera of your choice, but it does come with the phone mount for the selfie position if you're doing TikToks, YouTubes, whatever your goal is with this ring light. You can really do whatever you want with it. So like I said, it's $50 on Amazon. It has 3 different color temperatures on it. So you have cool white, warm white, and warm yellow. So 3 different options with 10 different brightness settings. We will be actually taking a look at this, opening the box, and actually testing out the product to see how it works, how bright it is, and how good it is. You also get a remote Bluetooth shutter button, which is just a little Bluetooth controller that you can use with your phone to start and stop taking videos and photos. Works with Android and iPhone. And that's pretty cool, so you don't have to actually start it ahead of time and edit it. You can just click it, start it, and go. And you get the 12-inch ring light, of course, and you get the adjustable tripod. So the adjustable tripod is what you put the ring light on. You can't put this on your own tripod as well if you want a taller tripod or a higher quality tripod. But it's nice that it comes with it. And you get the phone holder mount too, to actually put your phone in. So what we're gonna do now is, there's not really much else to say on this product. 500 to 800 lumens, 160 LEDs all the way around it. USB powered, so you can use a power bank, and it is 10 watts. So let's open her up. So here it is right here. We're just gonna open the box. You can see the serial number right here, as all Tonor products seem to have. The Tonor boom microphone I reviewed also had a serial number. So we'll go ahead and open it up right here. First thing on top is the box with the tripod in it. So tripod box. You have a user manual right here. Here is the actual ring light itself. Pretty nice ring light, kind of plastic and very lightweight, but as long as the lights look good, it doesn't matter what it's made of. And here is the other end right here, USB, and your little controller right here, on and off, lower brightness, change color, temperature, and mode, and brightness up right here. I'll set that aside for now. Here is your little shutter button I talked about, Bluetooth shutter button. So you can see it looks like a car key fob right here. You just connect it to your phone via Bluetooth. So here's the actual phone mount right here for actually putting your phone into the ring light. You can see it's sort of bendy right here, so it'll hold it into place very well actually, and it seems very good quality. So here's our actual ring light right here. Here's our phone holder right here. So you just screw it in into the little hole right there. Turn it so it's nice and tight so it doesn't come out. And then you can adjust it so your phone's right in there. And you can see it has full adjustment capabilities right here. Like little rubber pads on it to keep your phone protected. And it's like a ball joint. So you have full movement here, and then you can tighten this down to stop the movement and keep it right where you want it, just like so. So it does look like there's like a little mount right here. You can see that for mounting this on the wall if you decide to. So keep that in mind. You have a little mounting screw hole right there. You have your tripod mount down below. It's just your regular old tripod mount. So you can mount this on any tripod you want as long as it's that right size. And this just follows through. This is also the same, but that just attaches here. So here's the tripod. I'm just going to set this down. Take off the quick mount adapter right here, and we're just going to screw it onto the bottom. Tighten it down just like so, and then you can pop it on. Just like so, and you can see you can tighten all your things down here so it doesn't move. But let's go ahead and mount the phone in here just so you guys can see it real quick. So you'll be doing something like this, and then we'll go ahead and plug it in here so you can get a quick look. It's like that. Different colors, brightness down, brightness up, and off. So we're going to move in a little closer and show you the buttons and the device. Here's the included tripod right here. It's a pretty standard tripod. It gets quite tall, honestly. This is the tripod I'm using to film this video. Very similar. Mine's much more heavy duty metal though. But for the ring light, I don't think it matters. And you can adjust it higher up by adjusting this dial right here, which will allow you to raise the entire thing up. And it has all the regular adjustments you'd see on any other tripod. So it's just tightening this to go up or down, tightening it to keep it in place. This tightens, this tightens. This is a quick release lever right here for removing it. and you have a level right down there. We do be appreciating the box placement guidelines on each corner to fit our box on top. Very nice. So this is your main remote sort of right here, inline remote right here that has all your controls for the light. Your power button lights up blue, as you can see. You can turn that on and off. This little button down here is your brightness down button. As you can see, I'll turn it all the way down. The button in the middle here changes the color temperature. So you have your white right here, you have your warm white there, and then you have your just sort of yellow right there. So 3 different color brightness settings right here. And then you can turn it all the way up. Extremely bright. Uno, dos, tres. So turn that off, and it's a very long cable here. It actually runs all the way over here, so plenty of length. So you can use the portable charger if you want to have this more portable. But you can see the phone mount right there. Very nice, holds its place perfectly. You can see when I turn it, holds it very firm. Here's it on the tripod. So to use the remote, all you do is turn on the button here on the side. You can see the blue light comes on. Then you can see on your phone over here, Tonor TRL 20 pops up. You click it, you're gonna press pair up here, and then it's connected. So now I can use this to take and start taking video and recording stuff. So open up here, go to the camera app, photo. You can see it took the photo. When you're in video mode, when you press the button, it starts the video. When you press the button again, it ends the video. So here we go, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the light on. You can see I'm very bright now. I'm gonna change my color. And now I'm gonna actually press the record button. So we are recording on the light right now. You guys can see me. I'm not a makeup sort of star here. Take these glasses off. You can see my hair is all a mess. Change your color temperature right there. Brightness down, brightness up. Cool, and now we'll stop the video. Very nice. So this is a quick look at the Tonor 12-inch ring light. You can pick this up on Amazon for about $50. There is a 30% off coupon code available, so this is under $40. So it's a great deal for a ring light if you're in the market for one. Comes with the phone mount holder as well. It comes with a decent enough tripod. Does the job just fine. Nice long cable here that is USB powered, so you can use a power bank. On the back of the light, you do have a little mount right there to mount this on a wall if you decide to. And the phone mount itself is actually very high quality. So you do have 3 different settings here, 3 different colors. You have white, you have warm white, and you have yellow, and you have 10 different brightness settings. Total of 160 different LEDs for a total of 800 lumens at the max. Makes it a very good deal for the price. So if you guys want to purchase this, there will be a link down below to do so. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like down below. If you guys really like this video, be sure to subscribe down below to stay up to date on more of these cool tech videos. And if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll get right back to you. So hope you guys have a good one. Peace out.